DSE 2025年 Paper One AMC 第21條，咁第21條你見到今次咧，主要就係問 SMART goals 啦，咁有啲咩 criteria 係 setting 一個 good objective，不過記得係要喺上面嗰個 goals 入邊咧係 fulfill 咗嘅。咁我哋望翻今次佢個 goals 係 set by 個 information managers 啦，咁佢就講 reduce errors by 5% in 1 year，咁入邊咧有一啲嘢係 fulfill 咗嘅，譬如你見到 5% 啦，5% 即係有一個明確嘅可以量度到嘅量啦，咁所以係 measurable 係 OK 嘅，咁所以呢個係 measurable 啦。咁第二咧，另外就你見到 in 1 year，in 1 year 咧就係有一個好清晰嘅 deadline 俾到佢啦，咁所以 time bound 咧都係可以 fulfill 嘅。咁但係相反地咧，你見到今次個問題就係邊咧 reduce errors，咁 errors 嚟講咧，咁其實就 fulfill 唔到 specific 啊，因為 specific 呢個部分咧，其實佢係要講到明究竟邊一類型嘅errors 啊，咁但係佢係冇講到，淨係話講 errors，咁即係咩咧 ？OK，咁所以變咗喺呢個 case 咁樣狀況之下咧，咁其實我哋1、2同3係 fulfill，咁所以淨係得呢一個 C 咧係可以。